So good afternoon, all of you. Just we are 10 minutes late. So last lecture we have seen that Rolle's theorem. If a function satisfy the three condition, which three condition? Function satisfy the three condition. Which three condition?
Function differentiable function.
Function is different.
Continuous.
Function is first continuous.
Then
Function is
differentiable.
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 If the
F of A equal to F of B.
function is continuous in the closed interval AB. Second, function is differentiable in the open interval AB, and F of A equal to F of B. If you satisfy these three conditions, then there exists one point C that belongs to that open interval AB such that F dash of C equal to 0. Okay, if satisfy these three conditions, then your Rolle's theorem verify or applicable. And if Rolle's theorem is applicable, then and then only we will find that C. Okay, it is sufficient that I think 6 example we are taking. It is sufficient that Rolle's theorem. We stop for the Rolle's theorem. Yes, we stop for that Rolle's theorem. हाँ sir. Solve F ला. How? It is sufficient that. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sufficient आहे ना? काय example आणखीन घ्यायचे sufficient असते माझ्या माहितीनुसार तरी.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we move toward the next part, that is the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, so anybody? Lagrange's mean value theorem. Anybody? So we will start with the next topic, that is a Lagrange's mean value theorem. Sathurva, please mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us start. Okay. So anybody in morning lecture we all see that Rolle's theorem. In that, what is condition we add? Okay. A real value function a real valued function f of x defined in the interval AB, then it satisfies the two conditions. One is what? F of x is continuous in closed interval AB. Second, F of x is differentiable in open interval AB. F of x is continuous in closed interval AB. F of x is differentiable in open interval AB. And which third condition? Yes, if satisfy these two conditions for Lagrange's mean value theorem, then there exists or there is at least one point C which belongs to AB such that yes
F dash C equals to F of B minus
F of B
A
minus F of
divided
A.
by B minus A.
F of B minus F of A. You know everything. So why you are taking this topic? So this is for your work. मग माहिती आहे सगळ्या गोष्टी तर मग का घ्यायचा टॉपिक हा तुम्हाला देऊन टाकू का? करताल का तुम्ही घरी? Yes, rest of people please respond. का काही
Yes,
एक्झाम्पल?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We will do it.
No, sir.
नको सर रिव्हिजन होईल
We
घ्या.
can do it, sir.
व्हायज होईल सर तेवढं.
घ्या सर घ्या तुम्ही.
बरं मी एक 2-3 एक्झाम्पल आपण कमी घेऊया. एक्झाम्पल कमी घेऊया, चालतंय ना? Hello.
Okay, sir.
ओके, एक्झाम्पल वी टेक लेस. ओके, एक 5-6 एक्झाम्पल घेऊन एंड करून टाकू टॉपिक. चालतंय ना? ओके, सो लॅग्रेंजेस मीन व्हॅल्यू थेरम. सो राईट ऑन दिस. तुम्हाला असं म्हटलं असेल की व्हेरीफाय द मीन व्हॅल्यू थेरम, त्यावेळेस पण तुम्हाला व्हेरीफाय करायचं लॅग्रेंजेस मीन व्हॅल्यू थेरमच व्हेरीफाय करायचे, लक्षात घ्यायचं. ओके, so I just change my setting to left hand, right to right hand. So why this is not happen? Just I will check. Right on this Lagrange's mean value theorem. Just I will practice. Actually, the setting change झालं त्याच्यामुळे लिहिता येत नाही व्यवस्थित. झालं सगळ्यांचं? Okay, so we take the example. I think in Rolle's theorem we take first example is what? We take same example, no problem. We take x cube, na? We take x cube, na?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Same example we take. We just change the interval now. Okay. Verify LMVT, Lagrange's mean value theorem for f of x is equal to x cube. F of x equal to x cube in 1, 3. Which interval is 1, 3? Again, same method, same way, सगळं same करायचं, C find करायचं आपल्याला. Okay, same way we have find it. So just see solution. Given f of x equal to x cube, that x belongs to 1, 3, give as equation 1. So differentiate 1 with respect to x, we get, I don't know why this personal meeting me गेलं तर चांगलं देत होता. In that 1, 2 we got f dash of x equal to, what is that? 3x square. मग मला सांगा x ची कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू घेतली, कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू घ्या, ओपन इंटरव्हल घ्यावं लागेल ना ऑब्विसली. x ची कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू घ्या, x ची कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू घ्या. काय रे, काय सांगताय? f of x एक्झिस्ट का? x ची कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू घेतली, 1, 1, 3 सोडून राहिली किती? 2 जर घेतलं तर एक्झिस्ट ना. सो f of x इज differentiable in x belongs to, or in, there is no need to write down x belongs to, in open interval 1, 3. Therefore we just say that f of x is continuous इन क्लोज इंटरवल ए बी डिफरन्सिएबल आहे त्याच्यामुळे ते कानावर कंटिन्युअस होत आहे. ओके, सो हिअर ऑल कंडिशन ऑफ व्हाट यू से दैट all condition of Lagrange's mean value theorem are satisfied, hence all condition of LMVT are satisfied, hence by LMVT Lagrange's mean value theorem काय लिहू शकतो? There is at least one point. There is at least one point. Which one point? Yes, which one point? C belongs to AB in open interval, such that f dash of C is equal to what? F of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Okay, f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Okay. So we just put the value. So close interval AB is equal to what? Close interval 1, 3. From this equation, what is A? So A equal to 1 and B equal to 3. So what is the f of A? F of 1. Yes. What is the f of 1?
3.
One.
One.
डॅश मध्ये नाही करत रे मित्रा, एफ ऑफ एक्स मध्ये काढता. डोंट बी सो प्लीज. हे सोपं आहे पण मार्क जायला पण तेवढंच अवघड आहे. एफ ऑफ 3 is 27. Okay, we got that f of 1 and f of 3. Now just put the value. Can you go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Or just till you are writing, or just write down this. Just write down this. और ह्याला काय म्हणा, इक्वेशन 2 म्हणा. गरज नाही म्हणायची. चैतन्य, म्यूट yourself. Harshita, roll number 5. In morning lecture, you are absent.
Yes, sir.
I'm not asking for your reason. Abhishek, roll number 26. Roll number 26.
Sir.
In the morning lecture, you are the absent.
Sir.
Yes. Please take care.
Okay, sir.
34 years ago. In last couple of days, I will tell you, your present is quite less. So be aware about your attendance. Be present every lecture. I don't know why you are absent. Ejado, number 34. 35 is not there. Then 53. Yes, he is also not there. Then 67. Amish Sharke. Sakai Nauda to me. Amish Sharke, roll number 67. And 71. Pratik Yadav. तुम्ही पण सकाळी नव्हता.
Yes, sir.
पहा, लेक्चर करत जावा. काय महत्वाचे काम असतील मला माहित नाही. तुमचे खूप महत्वाचे काम असतात रे. आय डोंट नो. ओके, लेक्चर मध्ये डिस्टर्बन्स नाही. हा, एन्जॉय करायच्या वेळेस सांगा रे, पाहिजे त्या ठिकाणी उड्या मारू, पाहिजे त्या ठिकाणी करू, ज्या पाहिजे ते. पण लेक्चरच्या वेळेस लेक्चर, एन्जॉयच्या वेळेस फुल एन्जॉय. विचारच करायचं नाही आपण काय करतोय ते, फुल एन्जॉय. पण लेक्चरच्या वेळेस लेक्चर आहे की लेक्चर, दुसरं मनात आलंच नाही पाहिजे काय आपल्या. हा, झालंय का? नेक्स्ट पेज झालंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the second page. Hey Baba, come key. Okay. So first, f dash of C. So just we write down that f dash of C. So what is f dash of C is equal to? f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Just we have put the value f dash of c. What is f of b? F of b is
27.
27. What is f of a?
1.
B 3 minus 1. So just simplification. What is the value?
13.
26 upon 2. So how much? 13.
13.
F dash of c is equal to 13. In last lecture, sorry, in last Rolle's theorem, what do you get the f dash of c always? F dash of c always?
0.
F dash of c always?
0.
0.
There is a problem in my laptop. I don't know why. The problem is clear. So what is the f dash of x now? F dash of x काय काढणार आपण?
3x square.
3x
Square.
3x square.
Yeah.
3x square. From this equation, we find that f dash of c. Now, what is f dash of c?
3c square.
C square.
3c square.
It's 3c square. Okay. So what is 3c square? Just we have put the value. So 3c square equal to, what is the value you got? 3c square equal to kare?
13.
10 by 3.
3c square equal to 13. C square is equal to 13 by 3. 13 by 3. So what about the c square equal to? 13 by 3 वाटलं तर काय करा in terms of point काढा किती येणार 3 चौक 12 म्हणजे 4 पॉइंट आणि 3 त्रिक 9 3 त्रिक 9 4.33 ना am I right? So c square is equal to 4.33. So what is the value of c? What is the value of c?
0.08
Plus or minus
plus 2.08.
2.08. But we take which value? What is the interval it becomes?
1 and 3.
1 and 3. So c is equal to 2.08. It belongs to 1 and 3. Open interval 1 and 3. It belongs to 1 and 3. होता है क्या? Yes. But c is equal to minus 2.08 is not belongs to 2.08. Is not belongs to 2.08. Am I right? So what is value of exact value of c?
2.08.
That we ask.
Positive.
2.08. That's we calculate. Hence your last sentence.
Not belongs to 1 comma 3.
Sorry. Is not belongs to 1 3. Hence our last statement is what? Hence LMVT is applicable. LMVT is applicable for f of x is equal to x cube in x belongs to 1 3. Okay. This is your
हॅलो सर.
हा बोला राहुल.
सर सेकंड लाईन फर्स्ट लेटर काय सर ती?
कुठलं
सेकंड लाईन फर्स्ट लेटर ती काय सर ती सेकंड?
f dash of c हे ना?
यस
हे
सर.
ना? f dash ते काय झालंय की रायटिंग पॅडचं छोटी सेटिंग ही बिघडली आहे मला कळना. मी पूर्ण हे पण बदललं आहे स्केट पण बदलली तरी पण ती सेटिंगच आहे ना चेंज होणार. झाल्यावर सांगा बरं का. अरे लिहिलं होतं का रे तुम्ही?
Yes, sir.
काल ऍक्च्युली नेट गेल्यामुळं परत मी चेंज केलं. आज प्रॉब्लेम आहे. Okay, so we take the second example. We take the second example. That was second example. आपण second example त्या ठिकाणी काय घेतलं होतं रे? Yes. Second example. Verify Lagrange mean value theorem.
F of x is equal to x minus 2 raised to 2 by 3.
F of x equal to x raised to x minus 2
X.
raised to
minus 2 raised to 2 by 3.
आणि इंटरव्हल काय घेतला होता?
X belong to 1 4.
1
1
4.
4.
हा घ्या सेम एक्झाम्पल घ्या वाटलं तर. x belongs to 1 4. Two by 3. Yeah, verify. Obviously it is function differentiable नाही ना. चला. तुम्ही ज्यांना सांगतो त्यांनी म्यूट करा, फक्त अनम्यूट करा. रोल नंबर 3 अनम्यूट करा, 5 अनम्यूट करा, 18 अनम्यूट करा, 32 अनम्यूट करा, 37 अनम्यूट करा, 47 अनम्यूट करा, 59 अनम्यूट करा, 61 अनम्यूट करा, 63 अनम्यूट करा. केलंय का? ओके 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 ओके. Just wait now. I will mute yourself. Okay. सॉल्व करताय ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Obviously, function is not differentiable, na re, at particular point.
Yes, sir.
Function is not differentiable at particular point. Which particular point?
2.
2. X equal to 2. Example is same again, no problem. But function is continuous, huh? A function is continuous. So we
Yes.
write down here solution f of x equal to x minus 2 bracket raised to 2 by 3. So we find f dash of x equal to what? 2 by 3 into x minus 2 bracket raised to 1 by 2. No, sorry, 1 by 3.
3.
1 by 3. So for x equal to 2, f dash of 2 does not exist. Does not exist in, because 2 belongs to 1 4 open interval. Therefore, we write down f dash of x, sorry, f of x f of x is not differentiable f of x is not differentiable in 1 4. That's what. But f of x is continuous. एक continuous आहे बरं का. In closed interval 1 4. So all condition of LMVT are not satisfied. Hence, LMVT is not applicable for f of x equal to x minus 2 raised to 2 by 3.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ankita. बोला. Hello, Ankita. Hello, Ankita. बोला की. If you have any problem, please chat me in chat books. No problem. There is.
हा सर आवाज येत नव्हता तुमचा.
आता येतोय?
हा आता येतो.
Okay, okay, very good. Sorry. We go to the next example.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Third example. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for f of x is equal to, we take different function than in first lecture, x log x. So that x belongs to closed interval 1e solution. Just solve. माझ्याबरोबर solve करा. So f of x equal to x log x. X belongs to 1e. So differentiate, we got f dash of x equal to what derivative? Use u into
U into
into x into plus
1 over plus 2
log
log
x.
x.
1 plus log x. कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू घ्या, कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू घ्या 1 आणि e सोडून, इथे क्लोज इंटरवल, सॉरी, कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू घ्या क्लोज इंटरवल 1 आणि e मधली कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू घ्या, कुठली पण, कुठली पण. ते कुठलं फंक्शन आहे रे? वी नो दॅट पॉलिनॉमियल and logarithmic function is logarithmic function. फक्त logarithmic function मध्ये कंडिशन काय रे? logarithmic function मध्ये कंडिशन काय?
It belongs to R plus.
r प्लस, म्हणजे आपण असं म्हणू शकतो x ग्रेटर दॅन 0. बरोबर आहे का? x ग्रेटर दॅन 0 is always continuous and differentiable. Okay. जो तुमचा x आहे तो ऑलवेज ग्रेटर दॅन 0 पाहिजे ना. जर लेस दॅन 0 आहे का x ग्रेटर दॅन 0? यस. 1 आणि e मध्ये x ग्रेटर दॅन 0. जर लेस दॅन मध्ये असेल तर आपण म्हणू शकतो इज नॉट डिफरन्शिएबल. हा, क्लिअर दिस थिंग. आलं लक्षात? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
ओके, व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी गुड. मग ह्याच्यामुळे आपण म्हणू शकतो f of x इक्वल टू x log x is continuous in close interval 1e and differentiable in open interval 1e. Continuous in closed interval 1e and differentiable in open interval in 1e. Okay. Clear everyone? ओके ओके. मग त्याच्यावरून काय म्हणू शकतो आपण? हा, बाय LMVT, by LMVT there exists C belongs to 1e. just 1e. Okay, so what do you get the C? Okay, what is C? So C belongs to AB, na? So f dash of C, f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A divided by B minus A. So what do you get that? माझं चुकलंय काहीतरी. माझं चुकलंय काहीतरी. 5 कमी पडलेत मला. f dash of C. So what is the f of A? F of A is f of 1. What is f of 1? What is f of 1?
0.
Log 1 equal to 0. What is f of B? F of
E.
log e, e log e. Log e म्हणजे 1 असतो, so answer is e. So just we have put the value, we got f dash of c is equal to e minus 0, e minus 1. आणि f dash of c काय? 1 plus log c is equal to e divided by e minus 1. Okay, just rearrange. Log c is equal to e divided by e minus 1 minus 1. Here rearrange करा. Minus e plus 1 divided by e minus 1. E get cancelled. We got the log c is equal to 1 divided by e minus 1. 1 divided by e minus 1. Okay. Log c is equal to 1 divided by e minus 1. So see how we calculate c? How we calculate c? c calculate कसं करणार? c calculate कसं करणार? Taking exponential on both sides means काय होणार? c is equal to e raised to 1 upon e minus 1. बरोबर आहे का? अरे बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what is value of e? What is value of e? e ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? तुमच्याकडे कॅल्क्युलेटर आहे ना? e ची व्हॅल्यू काय? 2.72.
2.732.
Near about 2.72. Just we have put the value 2.72. C is equal to 2.72 raised to 1 divided by 2.72 minus 1. मला सांगा बरं आन्सर C चं काय येतंय? चला. C चं आन्सर काय येतंय? C चं आन्सर काय येतंय? Near about 1.79. It belongs to open interval 1e. So hence LMBT is verified. Is verified. Okay. So just write down LMBT is verified. Okay, clear everyone? Everyone clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. ओके, झालंय का सगळ्यांचं?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो हा बोला कृष्णा. कृष्णा बोला. हा बोला की, आवाज कमी आहे तुमचा, बोला की. हा, सी देऊ का दोन्हीचे पण? त्याचा सी येतो E-1 आणि याचा सी येतो 0.24. Okay, this is for your homework. Two example for homework. Okay. So this is the end of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Tomorrow we see the Cauchy mean value theorem and we try to end that topic also. Cauchy mean value theorem. Same, it is same also. म्हणजे जेणेकरून आपल्याला परवापासून आपण नवीन युनिट स्टार्ट करूया.
Sir, the C ची value 0.24 आहे ना?
हाँ, C is equal to 0.24. Yes. Okay. ठीक.